Butterflies are insects. They have brightly colored wings and fluttery flights. A butterfly has head, thorax, abdomen, and 4 wings. And on the head, there are 2 antennas and a drinking straw called proboscis. Which name of butterfly is Rhophalocera. They belong to order Lepidoptera. The butterfly lay eggs on the leaves. The eggs hatch and the caterpillar comes out. The caterpillar eats lots and lots of leaves and becomes big. Then they develop into a pupa. And after some time, the adult butterfly comes out of the pupa. The name butterfly comes from an old belief that witches took sheep of butterflies to steal milk and butter. Adult butterflies stay alone. Color of the butterfly helps in camouflaging, warning and attracting others. The colors of the butterfly from ordinary, pigment and structural color. A butterfly drinks from a tube-like tongue called proboscis. The proboscis uncoils and the butterfly sips liquid food. After drinking, it coils up into a spiral. Butterfly's favorite food is flower nectar. They also drink from rotten fruits. The butterflies need salt, so they drink from puddles and muddy spots. Hope you enjoyed and learned from this video about